Today we will discuss Ravenstein's law of migration in a simple way.
Sir, is this still relevant for UPSC Geography Optional?
Yes, because migration is still one of the most important human geography processes.
So, it helps us understand population movement patterns?
Exactly. In 1885, E.G. Ravenstein studied migration and gave
11 laws of migration, so he was the first to explain migration systematically.
one key idea is that most migrants move short distances first.
Like from a village to a nearby town before going to a big city?
Correct. This is called stepwise migration.
And some people even move back from cities to villages, right?
Yes, that is the counterstream of migration.
So, migration is never one way only.
Also remember, economic factors are the main push-pull forces.
That means jobs, wages, and livelihood opportunities matter most.
Very good. But climate, disasters, war, and political unrest also influence migration.
So, migration has both voluntary and forced dimensions?
Correct. As a case study, many people first move to Patna or Muzaffarpur, then to Delhi, Punjab, or Mumbai.
That clearly shows steppe migration and long-distance labor migration.
Exactly. So in UPSC, Raven migration is also shaped by networks, policies, and globalization.
Thank you, sir. Now I can a case study form.